All right, this next term, a little bit different. The previous term had the 6 in parentheses, okay? This one does not have the negative 6 in parentheses. So what's the difference? Okay, when the negative is on the outside, that means that the negative is not getting raised to that power. So what this means is that we're going to have a negative number, but we're going to be doing 6 times itself 4 times, okay? And then at the end of the day, it's going to be negative. On the previous example with the negative in parentheses, we were actually multiplying that negative with the 6 every time because it was in parentheses, okay? But when it's not, that negative just stays alone and you multiply it. So this time we're going to get a negative 1296. You have to be careful with that. That's something that they throw in there to just, did I type it in wrong? Oh, I didn't type the negative. I just said it. So negative 1296 here. Okay, this next example, we want to simplify the expression writing only positive exponents. Okay, so I have 1 over negative 2y raised to the negative 12. Okay, where's my negative exponent? It's on the y only. Okay, do not get, I guess, overly excited or, a lot of people see this negative on the 2 and they also want to move the 2. The 2 is just a negative number. It's not a negative exponent, okay? So that property is not going to affect the 2. The negative 12 is not going to affect the 2 because it's not in parentheses. It's only on the y. So to make positive exponents, I just need to move this y to the 12th up. Okay, times 1 is going to be the same thing. So what I'm going to end up with is y to the 12th on the top, and it's now positive, and the negative 2 is going to stay on the bottom. Okay, so now I'm dealing with positive exponents. If it's negative, just move it to the opposite position. So pull up the fraction, and I'm going to do y to the 12th. And then on the bottom, negative 2.